Okay, let's look at a question on equation of circle. Okay, typical question. Okay, number 1, find the equation of circle with diameter PQ. Coordinates of PQ are this and this. First of all, are you stuck? Can you visualize? You can only visualize if you draw it out. Okay, you must draw it out. Okay, so let's draw out the circle and draw the P and Q. Okay, these are my points P and Q. Okay, how do we draw the circle? We just draw a rough circle, right? And these two are the points of the circle. Actually, it's not just that, it's the diameter of the circle. So it means that there must be a semicircle, right? Okay, and this is the diameter. Okay? So the thing is, remember for equation of circle, what are the two most important things we need to find? There's two things. Radius and center. Thank you, so 10 points. Alright? So find the radius R, find the center AB. Okay. Which one would you like to start first? Maybe start off with radius. Since I write it down first. How do we find the radius? Okay, we can only find length of diameter. Divide by 2. So how do we find the length of diameter? So yeah, as I said, recall your distance formula. Anyone can tell me what's the distance formula? We just use the distance formula. Okay, thanks to Xiaoyang, we will find the length of diameter. Okay, so sub in x1 minus x2 whole thing square plus y1 minus y2 whole thing square. Okay, see what you get. Do you all get root 40? You should get root 40. Okay. Because 40 is 4 times 10. Okay, then 2 root 10. Oh, radius divided by 2. Exactly. So radius, okay, if you can see clearly radius is root 10, just write root 10. Okay. So at this point, it's 1 mark already. Okay, later I will tell you what's the mark allocation. Okay, then afterwards we find center. How do we find center O? This is the midpoint rule. Remember, coordinate geometry is related to circles. Okay, so we will find the center. Someone give me the center? Correct. Just use the midpoint rule, find the center, 1, 2. Okay, so now given the radius and the center, can I write the equation? Yes, we can. Just write the standard form. Okay, so since center is 1, 2, okay, equation of circle, is it x plus 1 or x minus 1? X minus 1 whole thing square. Sorry, I shouldn't put that equal sign. Just put like this. How about y? Y plus 2 or minus 2? Minus, you're right. Equals to square of radius. Square of the radius. 10. Because this is r square. Right? Anyone confused? So let's say if I give you 3 marks, this is M1, finding radius, M2, finding center, A1, equation of circle. Okay, if it's a 3 marks question. Okay, so these are the few steps. Yeah, looking at question number 2, touch the x-axis. Circle that touches the x-axis. Center is C. Can you all visualize? If you cannot visualize what they ask you to do, center negative 3, 5. Okay, let me just draw a sketch. Okay, it's also for you and me to visualize what it is. Negative 3, 5 is over here. This is the center. Oh, touches the x-axis. I should roughly draw like this. Touch. When it says touches the x-axis, at how many points does it touch? So it touches here. Okay? So the thing is, remember, we want to find equation. Give me the two things we need to write. Okay, two things we need to find before we find the equation. What are the two things you need? Number one, number two. Radius and center. So they already give me center. I just need to find radius. So center is already done, right? Center is already done, negative 3, 5. How to find radius? Diagram states. You can see radius is 5 units. Okay, radius is 5. Because it's just the distance of the y. And then my center is negative 3, 5. Done now? Now your turn. Tell me what is the equation. Give me the standard form first. Standard form, you all know, is the x minus a square plus y minus b square equals to r square. Give me this form. X plus 3 square plus y minus 5 square equals to 25. Yes, correct. Is it enough? No. No, actually it's enough. Answer is this. No need to expand further. Answer is this. A1, okay, maybe radius is M1. Okay, so in exam, it's enough to give the standard form. Don't need to expand it unless they tell you to.